Today we are checking out the Blackstar Fold Piano 88, an ultra-portable, full-sized 88-key folding piano that slips right into your backpack. Imagine having a true piano feel on the go. Whether you are a traveling musician, a student, or just love practicing anywhere, this sleek, fold-up design promises real keys, real sound, and real freedom. Key features and specifications. This model delivers 88 full-length, soft touch keys that expand to 52 inches when open and fold down to just 13 inches long, weighing only 1.6 kilograms, about 3.5 pounds, for maximum portability. You get 128 built-in voices, 30 demo songs, and 6 metronome settings, all powered by an 8-hour rechargeable battery. Connectivity includes USB MIDI for seamless DAW integration, plus a sustain pedal, tote bag, and piano note stickers to kickstart your learning experience. Price. Right now on this Fold Piano 88 is going for around $187.79, sold and fulfilled by FSUs Global with free shipping options available. Pros and cons. On the plus side, the feel is surprisingly authentic for a foldable instrument, and the battery life means you can play unplugged for hours. The slim profile and included accessories make it a complete travel kit. On the downside, the keys are unweighted, so don't expect hammer action realism, and speaker output is minimal. You'll need headphones or external speakers for serious practice. Customer reviews summary. With over 2,100 ratings averaging 3.9 out of 5 stars, users praise the Fold Piano 88's portability and ease of setup, calling it a game changer for practice on the move. A fair share note occasional connectivity hiccups via USB MIDI and wish for firmer key resistance, but most agree it punches above its weight for travel use. Should you buy it or not? If you value true size keys and lightweight design for practicing anywhere, cafes, parks, or backstage, this folding piano is a solid pick. However, if you need weighted action or robust onboard speakers, you might opt for a traditional digital piano. For on-the-go creativity and compact convenience, though, the Blackstar Fold Piano 88 really delivers.